have to wait 10 minutes to get our turn to get out.
Borges!
Well, you take so long to turn the lane.
Sorry, Russ. How you doing?
Good to see you. I'm good.
You too.
I'll come see you soon. Thank you all.
Marcus, it's exciting. We're going to Campbell High School. You know, part of the bank's 165th anniversary. We really want to give back to the community and supported us all these years. And we're going to be able to do a $50,000 gift for the Campbell High School Women's Athletic Program. And
that's really cool. I'm happy to be a part of it. It's gonna be a lot of fun to surprise them. You know, so important to provide resources for these kids to have opportunities to play sports.
Thank you so much.
Here. Yeah, absolutely. No worries. How's that? You guys do like extracurricular stuff? What kind of stuff do you guys do?
I'm a cross country and track.
No way. What's your events?
My event for track?
Yeah.
The 3K, the 1500, and the 4x8.
You go, girl.
This is a very special day. This is First Hawaiian Bank kicking off our 165th anniversary year, and we couldn't think of a better way to do it than at Campbell High School. So congratulations, you guys are a fantastic group. First of all, I want to introduce a good friend of ours, a huge supporter of First Hawaiian Bank, and we're just so proud of him and everything he's been able to accomplish. Hawaii's one and only Heisman Trophy winner, NFL quarterback, Marcus Mariota.
First of all, thank you. That was quite the ovation, and truly grateful that I get to be here today. Thank you to First Hawaiian Bank. I mean, 165 years, that's unbelievable. I'm happy to be here. I'm happy I get a chance to just kind of share a little bit about what it means to be from Hawaii, what it means to be the next generation. Just like you guys, I'm a little older, it's 12 years ago now, but I was sitting in your guys' seats. Had dreams and aspirations to be a football player. And for you guys can be anything you want to be in this world. Do not allow other people to define who you are. And I think that's very important. And I think that's just some of the values that I think First Hawaiian Bank and myself share. You know, humility, integrity, all the things that Hawaii families value, things that First Hawaiian Bank believes in, are things that I've kind of been raised on, are opportunities for you guys to share with the rest of the world.
That First Hawaiian Bank is going to give away $1.65 million this year. And we're starting with Campbell High School for $50,000 for women athletics.
I'm here because of you guys. Like, my motivation every single day is to represent each and every single one of you guys to the best of my ability and to make sure that the next generation makes Hawaii a better place.